Imagine a place where the earth rises and falls like the waves of a chocolate sea, where each hill stands as a silent sentinel in a landscape that seems almost otherworldly. Welcome to the chocolate hills of Bohol, Philippines, a natural wonder that enchants and mystifies all who behold it. Before we deep dive, if you are new to channel, this video is second of the playlist, Unreal Places on Earth. Please check out our playlist. I am Joseph and I welcome you to What's Your Priority? With that being said, let's dive into the video. At the break of dawn, the first light of day gently kisses the tops of over 1,200 conical mounds, creating a breathtaking tapestry of shadows and light. These hills stretch as far as the eye can see, a verdant sea during the wet season that transforms into a landscape of rich, cocoa-colored domes as the rains subside. It's as if a masterful artist has painted the earth with broad strokes of nature's palette, alternating between green and brown to reflect the seasons. Chapter 1. The Enigma of the Chocolate Hills. Rising majestically from the heart of Bohol, the Chocolate Hills are a sight unlike any other. These natural wonders, spanning over 50 square kilometers, are composed of perfectly shaped mounds, each uniquely symmetrical yet collectively harmonious. Named for their striking resemblance to giant chocolate drops during the dry season, these hills transform as the weather changes, cloaking themselves in lush green during the wet months and turning a rich chocolatey brown when the rains cease. The origin of the Chocolate Hills has long intrigued scientists and enchanted locals alike. Geologists suggest that these hills were formed from the weathering of ancient limestone, sculpted over millions of years by natural processes. Yet local folklore offers a more whimsical explanation, with tales of giants and ancient battles casting a spell of mystique over these landscapes. One popular legend tells of two battling giants who, after a fierce fight, left the land littered with their rock and sand mounds, which hardened over time to become the hills we see today. Chapter 2. A Journey Through Enchantment. Exploring the Chocolate Hills is an adventure in itself. Visitors from around the globe are drawn to hike the trails, explore the verdant terrain, and gaze upon the panoramic views from observation decks scattered throughout the area. The hills not only offer a feast for the eyes, but also stand as cultural icons deeply embedded in the heritage of Bohol's people. Celebrated in local festivals and traditions, they are more than just a geological wonder. They are a symbol of community and history. Chapter 3. The Wild and the Wonderful. The Chocolate Hills are more than just a picturesque landscape. They are home to a diverse array of flora and fauna that thrive in this unique environment. Among the rolling mounds and lush vegetation, you might spot the Philippine Tarsier, one of the smallest primates in the world. These nocturnal creatures with their large, expressive eyes are a symbol of the rich biodiversity of Bohol. Birdwatchers will find delight in the variety of avian species that inhabit the area, from colorful kingfishers to the majestic Philippine eagle. The hills and surrounding forests provide a habitat for numerous butterflies, insects, and plant species, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and a paradise for photographers. Chapter 4. A Lifestyle Interwoven with Nature. Life around the Chocolate Hills is a blend of traditional and contemporary. The local communities are deeply connected to the land, with many families relying on agriculture as their primary livelihood. The fertile soil around the hills supports the cultivation of rice, corn, and a variety of tropical fruits. Carabao, the hard-working water buffalo, are a common sight, helping farmers tend to their fields in a timeless rhythm of rural life. The towns surrounding the chocolate hills like Carmen and Sagbayan offer a glimpse into the everyday life of Boholanos. Markets buzz with activity, showcasing an array of fresh produce, handicrafts, and local delicacies. The warmth and hospitality of the people are as much a part of the experience as the hills themselves. Visitors often have the opportunity to partake in local festivals where music, dance, and colorful parades celebrate the rich cultural heritage of the region. Chapter 5. How to travel to the Chocolate Hills. Getting to the Chocolate Hills is an adventure worth every moment of the journey. The nearest gateway is Tagbilaran City, the capital of Bohol province. Here's how you can plan your trip. 1. By air. Fly to Bohol. The quickest way is to fly into Bohol Panglao International Airport. Direct flights are available from major cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao. From the airport, you can rent a car, take a taxi, or use local transportation to reach the town of Carmen, where the main viewing deck for the Chocolate Hills is located. The drive takes approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. 2. Ferry from Cebu. Take a ferry from Cebu City to Tagbilaran City. The ferry ride typically lasts about 2 hours. From Tagbilaran, you can hire a car or take a bus to Carmen, which is around a 1.5-hour drive. By road, from Tagbilaran City, if you're already on the island, you can drive or take a bus to Carmen. The route is well signposted and the journey offers scenic views of Bohol's countryside. Or guided tours. No tour packages. Consider joining a guided tour, which often includes transport and stops at other attractions in Bohol. This is a convenient option if you prefer a hassle-free experience. Once you arrive in Carmen, the main observation deck provides stunning panoramic views of the Chocolate Hills. For a more immersive experience, explore the trails that wind around the hills, offering different perspectives and closer encounters with this natural wonder. Chapter 6: An invitation to wonder. Whether you are drawn by the unique geology, the enchanting legends, or simply the stunning vistas, the Chocolate Hills of Bohol promise an unforgettable experience. They stand as a testament to the power of nature and the rich tapestry of human culture intertwined with the land. Visiting the Chocolate Hills is more than just a journey. It's an immersion into the magical heart of the Philippines, where the landscape tells a story as captivating as it is timeless. So come and discover the magic of the Chocolate Hills, a true wonder of the world waiting to be explored and cherished. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mesmerizing Chocolate Hills. In the next video, we're going to discuss about Maldives. If you enjoyed exploring this incredible destination, be sure to check out our Unreal Places on Earth playlist for more breathtaking wonders around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. Your support helps us bring these extraordinary stories to life. Until next time, keep exploring and let your adventures be as boundless as your imagination.